Hi, I'm Kate Gray from Littlehampton Fire Station, and this is Chris Bristow. Today we're going to discuss all the different kits that we wear. Firstly, we're going to talk about the Wade kit. So this is the thermal undersuit, so it protects from the cold underneath the dry suit, which we'll show you next. This is the dry suit. It goes on top of the thermal undersuit, so the idea is to keep the water out so we can be in the water for longer. So here we have the PFD, which is the personal flotation device, so it enables us to float when we're in the water. And boots as well, which have got steel toe caps, so they protect our feet when we're in the water and walking to it as well. The helmet here, it's got a light on the front, so we can see and be seen in the dark, and protects our heads when in the water. And the throw line as well, so there's just a way we could throw it to a casualty in the water for them to grab hold of, so we can pull them out. This is our boat raft that we use to wade out to get to casualties, put the casualty in it to keep them dry and potentially safer and bring them back. So two different versions of fire kit. This is the modern day fire kit, new lighter materials. We've got the knee pads here for protection when kneeling down, reflective strips as well to make us more easily visible, pads in the elbows as well. Multiple pockets as well for storing things like our personal line and various bits that we might need. So when going into a fire, we'd wear breathing apparatus, so we have a flashard underneath just to protect all the skin around our head. And then over the top of our mask we'd put the helmet, which we'd wear for any job. We've got two different visors on there, so protect our face there, and at an RTC as well we've got the glasses underneath for double protection. The boots, we've got steel toe caps again, so they protect up to just below the knee. And two different types of gloves as well. So we've got fire gloves that give us complete protection up past the cuffs of our tunic, and RTC gloves. So this is the older fire kit, so pre-1960s. Got a brass helmet here, and a woolen tunic with leather boots and plastic leggings to go over them. And everyone had a personal issue axe to wear as well.